When there is love, I can't wait to talk about it when things get rough. I like to walk with you when it's night. I like to be the light that's missing and remind you every minute of the future isn't written, not yet. When the heart feels heavy, we can lighten it up. If you've had enough, well, you can empty your glass and we can fill it back up. You know it's up to us to make it all up. So what you making up?
What's the smell coming from?
It's creamiest.
The sweetest?
Yummy!
It's coffee ko 3 in 1. Come and take a sip.
Sing it, ha la 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 la, ha la 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 la. Let's all sing.
What's the ingredients of the coffee?
The blend of high-grade coffee, creaminess, and sweetness.
Hey ma'am, I want some coffee ko 3 in 1.